All right, here's a good question. Probability. So you've got 10 men, 10 men, 10 women, so that's 20 people altogether. And you want to get 10 people set up to do a committee. And the question is, what's the probability you're going to get 5 men and 5 women? Okay, so I need to get women and I need to get men. So how many ways can I get the 5 women? Well, there's 10 women, and I'm choosing 5 of them. Doesn't matter what order they come in, so that's why it's a choose. And then for men, same thing. There's 10 men, and I'm choosing 5. If I want to know the ways that I can do both those together, that's fundamental counting principle, so that's times. Okay, so that'll tell me how many ways I could get 5 women and 5 men from that group there. If they want to know the probability, then I'll divide that by the total number of ways that I can choose 10 people from the 20 that I started with. So there'd be 20 choose 10. So do this on your calculator. That'll give that out. Hopefully that helps.